Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you for watching, thank you for clicking on my channel, thank you for watching my videos, thank you for always being here. So today we are back in the kitchen again. So we are going to be cooking some chips. I'm going to be showing you how I make homemade chips, like not like KFC, like hizo za KFC, though I'll show you how I do my process of cooking homemade chips. I'm going to have to cook chips and some sausages. That's what we are having for dinner tonight. We are having to treat ourselves. Now that we have coronavirus with us, you can go out, you can order in, or you can cook. So we prefer cooking. It's easier than ordering. You can order and wait for hours before your dinner is here. So what we are going to do, we are going to cook. I'm going to show you. Don't mind my hair. Najua we can't go to the salon. You know guys, salon, because I'm afraid Ujui, the person who is going to be taking care of you, they are sick or not. So just hold home, messy hair. What do we do? Anyway, so let's get cooking. I have my viazi potatoes ready and my sausages are here and mafuta yangu iko hapa. So let's get started. Okay, now here is waru zangu. Nimeacha hii moja. This one I had not sliced, so I'm going to show you how I do it. That way. That way. Enough, I just slice like that. You can do to your preferred size. This is how I do it. And as I'm doing that, I should put my oil should be heating. And my son is here down, he's making noise. So you can cut to your preferred size. That's how I do mine. Just like that. Wash my hand. Yes, Daddy. There we go. We are done with the potatoes. So what we are going to do, we are waiting for our mafuta. Oh baby, what is it, son? What is it? You want to cook with me? My dear darling, it's not advisable to be in the kitchen at this moment. Say hello. Say hello. Hello. Say hello. Hi. Hello. Dangerous. This is dangerous, dangerous, dangerous. Don't do this with kids. Sawa sawa. Hello. Tunapika chipo, sawa? I think mafuta yetu ni moto. We test like this. I think it's not yet. No, I think it's not yet hot. Not very hot, but sawa tu, just enough. Niwasongeshe hapo karibu. Okay, so and I have my spoon here for scooping when they are done. So I think, yeah, I think it's hot enough now. Here are my sausages. So it's okay now, I can add. Just be careful. Be very careful when you're doing this. Baba utaanguka. Be careful. Very careful. I add kidogo. I add a little bit to avoid getting burned. And then when the oil is so hot, it tends to rise up. So just be careful. And then like me, I have a kid here who won't stay away from mama. He's always coming to where mommy is. Unaona, mafuta imenini there. And then now you let it cook on its own until they start becoming crispy. So as we are doing that, what I do is I'll add my sausages in there for the first bunch. So they cook together there. So what you do, and you avoid going to stir in the chips. You wait until you see they're well done. If you keep stirring, bondeka, like they'll mash, and then they will be so nice. So you let them cook on their own pace, on high heat. They're doing well so far. So even your sausages can help you know whether chips zako they are ready. Ziko ready. So let me just move this and move you guys closer. There. So you see, my sausages are not yet done. So by the time the sausages are done, the chips will also be done. Let me show you kidogo. Like you see, they're almost drying up. Crispy, I mean, like I want them not soft and not so dry, and just medium. You understand? Medium, like sausages, when they are done, the chips will be done together with the sausages. That's how I am able to time how long I am going to cook my chips. And now I think they are done. You see, my sausages are done. See, they are well cooked. I don't know why the camera is showing them a little bit white, but they are brown, a nice golden brown. So I'm just going to remove the sausages. Maybe I guess it's because of the lighting. And then you can see then my chips. Let me show, got you closer. Kind of turning to be brown. We don't want them to turn brownish. Just here, closer look. So that's what I do, and then I just remove my chips like this. And then I hold on there a minute or two for the oil to drip off, because I don't have a dryer. This is the Kenyaji way of cooking chips. But you don't have the chips deep fryer, so this is just what I do. Then hold it for a few minutes and then check. I think no more cooking oil dripping. Just transfer to my container over there. Let's make that easy and simple. Press this one. Easy and simple, just like that. There you go. And then we'll do the second bunch. You guys want to fall down. Okay. cook. That's okay, you wait until it's cooked. I'm not cooking more sausages, that's enough. So I'll just cook that alone without the sausages. So just wait it cooks. So the final product will be something like this. So they're looking yummy. They are well cooked, well done. Focus. Focus. There you go. Focus, 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 focus. There. Well and nice, and they are crispy from the outside but tender from the inside. See? So they are so well done. Oh, wait for the next bar to cook. But basically, that's how we cook chips. Not yet done, so we wait. So almost, now you can see they are not sticking on the this, so they're almost done. Kidogo tu, kidogo tu. Yeah, now we are done. We are done. We are good. Just like that, we are done. Oh, there we go, guys. That is it. That's how we make our homemade chips. So we are just going to enjoy. You can have it with your ketchup, your tomato sauce. Sawa. So let me go and enjoy my chips. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and look out for more videos. Thank you. Bye. Oh, before I leave, I want to give a shout out to my good old friends, my OGs, Nyambura and who else did I want? Karo Wamboi. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for the messages. Thank you for everything. I love you guys so much. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. God bless. And keep safe, guys. Keep safe. Wash your hands. Sanitize. Keep safe. Stay at home. Bye.